Hi, do you know the real facts about chef's coat? Here are the most interesting things you should know about chef's coat. A chef coat, also known as a chef jacket or chef's whites, is a standard uniform worn by professional chefs in kitchens and culinary establishments. The design and features of the chef coat have evolved over time to serve both practical and symbolic purposes. Let's know what is the facts about chef coat. The origin. The chef's coat has its roots in the 19th century. It was introduced by the legendary French chef Marie-Antoine Carême. Carême believed that chefs should wear white to symbolize cleanliness and professionalism. Auguste Escoffier, a renowned French chef, is credited with popularizing the use of the chef coat in professional kitchen. Traditional design. The classic chef's coat, also known as a chef's white, typically features a double-breasted design with long sleeves. This design serves both functional and practical purposes in a professional kitchen. Double-breasted style. The double-breasted design of the chef's coat allows it to be reversed, providing a fresh, clean appearance even if the front becomes soiled during kitchen work. Chefs can simply switch the coat around to maintain a professional look. Color symbolism. White is the most common color for chef's coats, but it has significance beyond aesthetics. White symbolizes cleanliness and hygiene, helping to create an impression of professionalism and attention to detail in the kitchen. Durable fabric. Chef's coats are typically made from durable fabrics like cotton or a cotton polyester blend. These fabrics are breathable, lightweight, and easy to clean, which is essential for working in a hot and hectic kitchen environment. Protection and comfort. The design of the chef's coat offers protection and comfort to the wearer. The long sleeves help shield the arms from heat and potential burns, while the thick fabric provides insulation from splatters and spill. Traditional buttons. Chef's coats often have cloth or knot buttons instead of plastic or metal ones. This is to prevent any potential metal contamination in the food if a button were to accidentally come off. Executive chef distinction. In some kitchens, the executive chef may wear a different style of chef's coat to distinguish their rank and authority. This can include a unique color, special embroidery, or additional features like French cuffs. Personalization and embroidery. Many chefs personalize their coats by adding their name, initials, or restaurant logos through embroidery. This adds a touch of individuality and can help identify each chef in a busy kitchen. Professionalism and tradition. The chef's coat is not just a uniform. It represents professionalism and tradition in the culinary world. It is a symbol of expertise and skill, signifying the wearer's commitment to the culinary arts. In conclusion, chef coats play a significant role in the culinary world, both practically and symbolically. Their double-breasted design, long sleeves, and mandan collar provide chefs with protection and comfort in the bustling kitchen environment. The white color signifies cleanliness and professionalism, while the cloth buttons and double-layered front add durability and functionality. Chef coats have become an iconic symbol of expertise, tradition, and authority in the culinary profession. As the culinary industry continues to evolve, we may see variations and modern adaptations in chef coat designs, but their significance and contribution to the chef's uniform remain unwavering. From the historical origins to the present-day kitchen, chef coats continue to be an integral part of a chef's attire, embodying the essence of culinary excellence.
Hope you know the real facts behind chef's coats.